Hi, Ed here from Burton Waters Boat Sales in Lincoln. Welcome to another video. Today we're having a look at this 2010 Jeanneau Leader 9. So what we'll do is a similar usual thing, having a look around the interior, but for the time being we'll start at the exterior and have a quick look outside. So based in our Lincoln office, just been in the workshop, all the superstructure's been power polished, so just got that nice shine to the GRP. And also the antifoul's been done as well, so that's something you won't have to worry about for a year. Access to the boat is really easy, so just a step on the side here, and then you've got a nice teak bathing platform, easy enough to walk on from the back as well, so you can step off onto a pontoon, and then to get access onto the boat, it's just straight through this transom gate. So let's go through and have a look at the inside. Right, we'll start as we always do in the cockpit area and have a quick look around this space. So seating area mainly on the starboard side. So you've got a nice big U-shaped seating area, table which folds out, so you've got another stand here that can be removed. It's folded at the minute so you can sit people around the seating area, and then when you want to fully utilise it, just fold it over and that makes it a lot bigger. Engine access is directly underneath this back seat here, so there's actually a button on the dashboard you can press and it just comes up electronically. So there's a couple of Volvo D3-200s under there. Just done the oil and filter change on those, so they're ready to go. The main benefit of the Leader 9 itself is actually the big hardtop, so you can see that quite clearly there. You have got an electric roof, so you can shut it off. We've opened up the roof for the purposes of the video and also some photos as well. So again, click of a button here and that just shuts the electric roof. It's nice because when you've got it open, it still feels like an open boat, even though you've got this superstructure here with the nice big windows. It doesn't feel like you're closed in. Again, we've taken the canopies off, but there are three sections of canopy which go across the boat to fully enclose it when the weather's not very nice. Over to the port side, got another seating area. Fabric's nice, it's a Silvertex fabric, very durable, hard wearing, nice colour as well. And then you've got this second additional fridge underneath this helm seat here. So people have had boats before. It's nice to have a second fridge for getting drinks out of, quickly, in case, unless if you don't have that, you're traipsing up and down the stairs. It's a bit of a pain, to be honest with you. Helm position here. So sitting in the helm seat, you've got a two-position seat here, so you can see a couple of people here. You have got a footrest down here, or they can extend it. And you've got a section of GRP which comes across there. So, I mean, I'm really short, but even I can look over the window here. It's quite a low setting roof. So the idea being that when you're cruising at speed, you can look over the sunroof instead of directly through the screen. All your major controls here. So all your bits and pieces from your windscreen wipers to your water pumps, things like that. VHF radio on the dash here. Bow thruster. And twin Volvo EVC controls. They're all electronic throttles, no sort of cables or anything like that. And then set dead in the centre here is a Raymarine chart plotter. So that's been retrofitted. Certainly wouldn't have come with a new one, particularly not an Axiom touchscreen. Up here, you've got your engine controls. So controls for each engine, so you've got port starboard side this side and port side the other side. Just started the ignition so you can see the hours. So on the starboard side 875, port side 877. Okay, follow me downstairs, we'll look at the interior. So downstairs we've got quite a traditional layout. You've got the seating area, U-shaped seating area which goes all the way around. The main thing about this boat in particular though is you've got hull side windows which go on the port and the starboard side. And the amount of light that lets in is pretty amazing, really. You've also got the windows up from the top here, which is covered by the windscreen. Again, lets a lot of natural light through. So even if you're spending a little bit of time down here, it doesn't feel hemmed in that you might see from some other boats. On the port side, galley. So everything you'd sort of expect. Got a built-in microwave. Some nice storage there. Gas hob. We talked about the fridge in the cockpit. You've got a secondary one here. This would be your main fridge for your bits and pieces, your food, if you want to spend some considerable time on the boat. And then Fred's just opening the cupboard there, some more storage, and just some little pull-out drawers, really. There's a nice addition of the carpet on here as well. You don't often see carpets on the Leaders, because underneath it is a wooden floor, but it's nice to have that sort of soft furnishing of a carpet. It finishes it off nicely. Over on the starboard side, we've got another door, so that's more storage, but it gives you access to your isolators. So you've got all your isolators for your engines, 12-volt systems. Got a radio there, and also up here a flat screen TV as well. And finally, in the starboard side, that's where your second cabin is. So Fred just nips in there. You can see we've got a slight cupboard area, and then a nice big bed which stretches across the beam of the boat. So that's your sort of dedicated sleeping area. You've got a door, so if you have got guests on board, you can shut yourself off, so it makes the area a little bit more private. And then over to after the boat to the port side is your toilet area. So you've got a toilet, electric toilet with sink and some drawers. The whole windows continue into that bathroom as well, so you still got the natural light coming through. Thank you as ever for taking your time to look at this quick video we've done on the Jeanneau Leader 9. It's available to view 7 days a week here at Burton Waters in Lincoln, so please feel free to call the office to make an appointment to view. As ever, the link for the boat is in the description below. See you again soon.